Timeline of the rulers of Jerusalem. Tribal period: David, Solomon. After Solomon's death, the kingdom split into Israel, north, and Judah, south, with Jerusalem as Judah's capital. Rehoboam, Abijah, Asa, Jehoshaphat, Jehoram, Ahaziah, Athaliah, Joash, Amaziah, Uzziah, Jotham, Ahaz, Hezekiah, Manasseh, Amon, Josiah, Jehoahaz, Jehoiakim, Jehoiachin, Zedekiah. Zedekiah was last king of Judah B, whose Jerusalem fell to the Babylonians under Nebuchadnezzar II in 587 BCE. After Cyrus the Great conquered Babylon, Jerusalem became part of the Persian province of Yahud. Babylonian rule, Persian rule, various Persian governors. Alexander conquered Jerusalem in 332 BCE. After his death, control passed to the Ptolemies. The Seleucid ruler Antiochus IV. Epiphanes' desecration of the temple sparked the Maccabean revolt. Simon Maccabee, John Hyrcanus I, Aristobulus the First, Alexander Jannaeus, Salome Alexandra, Hyrcanus II, Aristobulus II, rival brothers. Their conflict led to Roman intervention. Pompey the Great captured Jerusalem, making it a Roman vassal. Hyrcanus II, Antigonus II, Mattathias, Herod the Great, Archelaus, Roman procurators, Jewish revolt. Titus destroyed Jerusalem and the Second Temple in 70 CE. Bar Kokhba revolt. Byzantine period. Caliph Umar ibn al-Khattab conquered Jerusalem. Rashidun Caliphs, Umayyad Caliphs, Abbasid Caliphs, Fatimid Caliphs, Godfrey of Bouillon, Baldwin France, Baldwin II, Melisende, Fulk, governed by appointed administrators, subsequent kings until 1187, when Saladin recaptured Jerusalem. Saladin, Jerusalem was governed by Mamluk-appointed officials. Selim Prince, Suleiman the Magnificent. British forces captured Jerusalem during World War I. Governed by British High Commissioners. Divided Jerusalem, Abdullah Prince, David Ben-Gurion. Israel captured East Jerusalem in the 1967 Six-Day War and annexed it, not internationally recognized. Levi Eshkol, Golda Meir, Yitzhak Rabin, Menachem Begin, Shimon Peres, Yitzhak Shamir, Ehud Barak, Ariel Sharon, Ehud Olmert, Benjamin Netanyahu, Naftali Bennett, Yair Lapid, Benjamin Netanyahu. Palestinian Authority claims East Jerusalem as the capital of a future state, but Israel maintains de facto control.